Here on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a lucky horseshoe. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You are going to want to draw this kind of, well, it's silly to say it, but a kind of a horseshoe shape. So it's kind of like a circle at the bottom there, and then it just wants to come up to the top. And then just around a little bit like that, sort of like the end of a finger. And then it wants to get a bit thicker as it comes down to the bottom, and then it wants to get a bit thinner up to the top. And then you want to go kind of a little bit inside from those outside lines like that. There. And then we can draw a little circle up at the top, or semicircle rather. And a semicircle there, and a semicircle there, and then we want 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now in ink, we go over the top of all of that and bring it around. Take your time and just kind of follow all the way around. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And don't forget, you can always stop and start and replay at any time if there's a bit you don't quite catch. So let's come up there like that. And then come all the way down. Just take your time and then round again. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to come down and around and up. So this is a kind of recessed bit where the holes are for the nails to go through, and they want to be square because they kind of use square nails to hammer into the sole of the hoof. And we draw those little squares like that. They're not squares, they're rectangles. And when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. Make sure it's dry because you don't want it to smudge. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw down the insides there just to add a little bit of shadow into these things. So we come down and across just on the inside, leaving a little bit there and on the inside. And again, we want these to be just slightly have a thickness to there's a depth to these bits, so they're sort of going down like that. We'll just bring that round up there a bit as well, I think. And let's add a bit of sort of thickness to the whole thing as well. So we'll just come around like that, very, very close to the edge. And this one's gone slightly odd, so I'm going to go on the outside, so that makes more sense of that. And then kind of bring it in. And then here again, I'm just going to go just slightly outside and bring it in. And again, this one wants to be just on the inside a bit because it's looking a bit sort of thicker. And that helps to balance it all up too. And just to give it that kind of metal horseshoe kind of look, you can put these bits of sort of distress on there as well. And there you go, how to draw a lucky horseshoe. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.